Do you really want to learn how to create a UK TikTok international account? So if so, watch this video. To create TikTok international account is way very simple than you can ever imagine. You can possibly imagine. So how can you do that? It's really so simple, like I've said. So just head over to TikTok. If you don't have a TikTok app on your phone, please do where to download it. Go to your Google Play Store, to your App Store. Just download it. So as you can see, I already have the TikTok app in here. So here's the TikTok, then we click on it, and when you get inside the app, the next thing for you to do navigate to is the profile. Just come over to the profile here. You can see the list, so just come over to the profile. So from the profile, let me just make use of the brush. Now come over to this three in line here, click on it. So that's one of my account though. Then you come over to the settings and privacy, click on it. Now at the moment you click on that, just scroll down, then you will get to where they have this switch account. You can see it right here. So for those of us that does not have an account already, the moment you log into the app, you see this, you see something of this. Let's just click on the switch app. You see something of this. You can see it right here. Add account. For those that does not have the account already, that does not have account on TikTok before, would have to just see what we call the add account. Immediately they open the TikTok. But in case you already logged in already and it is not anything of an international account, then just do it just the same way that I'm able to do mine. Then you get over to this exact place, then click on add account. All right, you click on add account. So coming over to this exact place, the next thing for us to do is to come down here, because we really need a new international account, either UK or US. We want it new, and for us to do that, we need to sign up. So coming down there, you see what we have in here. Continue with Google, two options, but here we are going with continue with Google. But before you do that, come back to this text here. You get to see that they wrote something of, by continuing with an account located in Nigeria, you agree to our terms of service. Of course, we don't want to make use of Nigeria, so you need to click down here to change it down to the country you want. Now we are locating we are selecting United States. So for those of you that wants to go for UK, just go for that. All right, so if you have to see, it's automatically changed from Nigeria to United States. So what I'm supposed to do next is way simple. Just click on continue with Google, and that is where you get to select the kind of Gmail you want to make use of. So for the purpose of the training, let me just make use of a random email that I have in here. So I've clicked on one random email, and here you just have to include in your birthday. All right, so please, you need to go for the right birthday. Okay, I won't be making use of this. Let me just choose this for random. I have UK TikTok accounts already. Okay, my network is currently down. What's happening? Okay, let's just click on continue. So you can see immediately you get to see that we have a text in here. Just delete it and then include yours. If it is still any file, that's no problem. Whatsoever name you want to give your TikTok, brand name, whatsoever things, just go for it. Then you click on continue. So the moment you click on continue, ASAP, you are able to have a TikTok international account. All right, so for you to confirm that this account here is a TikTok account, what you need to do is to come over to this three in line, click on it, then you come over to TikTok Studio. All right, so you get to see that we have US history, post content, something like that should give you an idea that you've successfully created the US account. All right, so here you come over to monetization. You can see where I clicked. This is where I clicked. So you can see monetization. You get to see that we have it in dollars and not in naira. So that should give you the idea that you have US account, which is United States account. And here, if you have to click on this is not on in Nigeria TikTok account. All right, so if you have to say monetization program, so we click on creator reward program, you get to realize that very account can be monetized when it gets to its right eligible okay, so you are so close to joining. You can see this can be monetized. You can see. So when it gets to the necessary requirements, you get to monetize this because it is a UK account. Very simple, very clean, and that is the exact way you can always do yours whenever you need to create an international account. So guys, instead of you paying 5,000, 10,000, 20,000, in fact there are some people paying 50,000 to have an access to something like this. You don't have to do that again. So this is the simple way to do this. Please take note, do not make use of your phone number to create this. Do not make use of your phone number to create this. And that is that, and that is it. Thank you. I remain Oladeji Esho, the founder of Digital Stars Academy. Please like and subscribe. Thank you.